welcome by WBP Stars. My name is Onno Kokmeijer. I'm the executive chef of this restaurant Ciel Bleu in the Okura Hotel here in Amsterdam. And I'm ready for a tour. Please follow me. And of course we have a beautiful bar, the 23rd bar, but this is our lounge of the Ciel Bleu restaurant. So all the guests who make a reservation will start and arrive in the lounge for a small aperitif, champagne or what they want. We have also a special kitchen cocktail made by the chefs in the kitchen, seasonal made, and we have some small bites to the people can relax. They see the menu and we explain the concept of the evening, what they can expect of the night. So over here we have the restaurant, the dining room. So if you can see the restaurant, it's two lines of table, and of course the restaurant is not only famous about the food or the service, but especially the fantastic view above the city of Amsterdam. This is the center side of the city of Amsterdam. So we are on the 23rd floor, 80 meters high, with a fantastic sky in combination with food and service. Our kitchen is an international cuisine, what means that we are quite proud on all the ingredients and the products what we can get from our own country, from land or sea, but we are also a lot of influence from international flavors and ingredients. Also the reason for that is that we travel a lot for nice chefs events or exhibitions, but especially our guests, our international guests, and believe me, it's more than 80% of the guests here every night in Ciel Bleu is international guests. So we will feed them. We like to show the Dutch ingredients. Of course we have a lot of nice ingredients and we are proud of it, but always in combination with international flavors. Please follow me. So we changed the whole interior in 2016, the summer of 2016. So a new ambience. We have here a place for 50 persons, for 50 couverts. It's quite huge for a 2-star Michelin restaurant, but it's not only this, we have also a chef's table in the kitchen for 10 persons, and we have a small private room. I say small, still 20 persons we can handle in the private room. This is also a special area for some bigger groups. We like to do the bigger tables above 5 or 6 persons, to put a little bit separate, also for the noise of the other guests. Privacy is quite important for us and for our guests. So this is a separate room and we can do bigger tables like this. So on a special table of 6, and also this is a new concept. No linen, a beautiful piece of art, this lighting. So are you really interested in our restaurant? So I hope to see you. Of course, maybe in the hotel. You can also sleep in this beautiful building. But I am more happy to see you in our restaurant for a nice meet and greet. And of course with our lovely service and the beautiful food. Hope to see you soon.